We'll guide you through how to right-click on a MacBook Pro or Air, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're probably used to right-clicking on a trackpad or something like a Windows computer or laptop, I should say. It's really convenient because then it's going to go and give you more options. But as you can see, if I go and click down here, nothing goes and appears. You want to do this maybe to go and create a folder, to go and paste something. There are different options you can get when you go and right-click. And you may have tried doing it in even documents as well. For example, I could open up Word. So let's say I wanted to go and right-click to go and edit something. You can go and see I can't. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get those right-click options, as they're really convenient and it makes using your computer so much easier. So to go and get started with this, let me come out of this for now. You want to come to the bottom of your Mac and you want to go and find the option for System Settings. Or you can go to the top left, press the Apple icon and go and press System Settings like so. And then what you need to do in here is you want to come down on the left and you need to go and find the option for trackpad, as you can see. If you struggle to go and find it, you can go and use the search function at the top, but I can go and see it here, so I'll go and click on it. Now, what you want to do is you want to scroll down. Now, you want to make sure you're in the section as well, point and click. Now, what the right click is officially known as on the MacBook is the secondary click, because the primary click is going to be just the normal click when you go and press something, but the right click is on a secondary click. So as you can see here, this is currently set to click or tap with 2 fingers. So you could go and get used to that. So if I go and click with 2 fingers like so, you're going to see we get the options, but you can go and change this. If I click here, you could go and set it to click in bottom right corner. That is more the traditional right click. I could select that there. And now when I go and click in the bottom right corner, for example, down here, you go and see, we then go and get the options. And if I go and open up a program like Word, I then go and click in the bottom right, you go and see we go and get the options. So that's it. Hopefully now you're able to go and right click and you can go and do what you want to. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you found this useful, then make sure you go and check out the channel for more guides. We post videos like this every single day. So I'm sure you'll go and find something else useful. We've got plenty more guides to come and I look forward to catch you in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.